Hi, I'm Holly Pike. If you'd like a trial of the Generation software that I use for digitizing, please visit trygenerations.com. This video is a recording of a live video I did for my previous students. You may hear references to You Can Digitize or YCD. That's my old website that is now closed. My new website is digitizingschool.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Shapes, circles and squares, how to create them with the circle and square tools in your Create toolbar, and why you would want to do that. Okay, let's get started. In your Create toolbar, which is this one right here, you have some shapes made for you. You have a square or a rectangle, you have a circle, you have an ellipse, and you have an arc, but we're not going to deal with the arc right now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my tool just like I have the other two tools. Your same box will open up, but now it says Rectangle Tool. It's going to ask you, what do you want for a fill? Do you want it to be cross stitch, fluid contour, motif, radial, satin? What do you want it to be? You can make those choices. I'm going to leave it at complex fill. I'm going to change my color to something fun like pink and say OK. Now I'm going to left click and hold my mouse button down and drag until I get the square the size I want it. Turn on my 3D view. It's easier to make a square using the square tool than it is to do it freehand. Why? Because it's a perfect square and things will match up. That's why. So what if I wanted to make something like this? Really tiny. I can stretch this out now and generate, and I can make a little teeny tiny area. Your circle tool is exactly the same as a square. You're going to left click, hold your mouse button down and drag your mouse or drag your pen until the circle is the size that you want it. When it's the size that you want it, release your mouse button. And there's your circle. Okay, that's all there is to it. And the ellipse is the same way, except it comes from the inside out. Comes from the inside out, and you can do fun things with it. Oops. So you can do fun things with it that you can't do with the circle tool. Okay, so there might be a reason for you to use that. I've never really used the ellipse tool much, but I know some of my team has and they love it. So that is your circle, square, and ellipse tool. End of Shapes tool module.